Hey you guys, I'm starting this hairstyle off on a 3-week-old blowout. Now, I usually do not style on 3-week-old hair, but I don't have time for a wash day and I am in dire need of moisture, so here we are. Splitting my hair into 2 equal sections, a top half and a bottom half, I'm going to secure that top half out of the way and then take that bottom half and split that into 2 more equal subsections. The lower section is going to become 2 braids. Working on that first section, I am going to lightly dampen it with my new spray bottle mixture, which is only slightly different from my older spray bottle mixture of water, aloe vera juice, and oil. Like I said, I'm just trying it out right now, but when I am done, I will give you guys all of the details. During this entire process, I make sure to finger detangle and remove as much shed hair as I possibly can to prevent tangling and further matting. After my spray leave-in, I apply a creamy leave-in to add even more moisture. You guys can use any leave-in that you prefer. Last but not least, I use my shea butter mix to seal in all that moisture. I do have a tutorial for this on my channel and I will leave that linked down below. Once my hair is all moisturized and sealed, I split it into 3 equal sections and braid down as far as I can. When I can no longer braid, I add just a little more of my shea butter mix to my ends and then 2-strand twist and coil the ends around my finger. Now I'm just going to repeat these steps all over my head. And if you guys couldn't tell already, I am doing the LCO method, L standing for liquid or leave-in, and I use my DIY spray leave-in as my L. C standing for cream, I chose to use a creamy leave-in as my C, and O standing for oil. And instead of a regular oil like grapeseed oil or olive oil, I decided to use a solid oil, which was shea butter. Other examples of solid oils include mango butter, kokum butter, kapuasu butter, avocado butter, and even coconut oil. All of those oils are solid at room temperature but melt when exposed to heat, such as body heat. As for the front section, I am going for a middle part, so after making my middle part, I am going to create 2 braids on each side. After letting my hair air dry, which takes about 2 or 3 days for me, I am ready to unravel in style. First, I am going to coat my fingers with this hair and body oil from Shantae Oils, which smells amazing. I will leave the link to this product down below in the description box. Okay, so this is the best part about braid outs. When done correctly, meaning that you do not borrow any hair throughout the entire length of the braid, all you have to do is grab 2 strands and pull, and the entire braid will unravel on its own. This little trick literally cuts down on so much time. Once my hair is all unraveled, I just go through, separate, and fluff with my hands. I really don't use combs or picks to fluff my roots for volume anymore, because at this point all they do is cause more tangles and matting at my roots, which in turn causes more breakage, and it just makes it harder on me on wash days, so I just use my hands. Here is the final look. After following this routine, my hair is always super soft and moisturized. I will leave more information about this routine, such as how often I do it, down below in the description box. As for right now, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.